Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the R40S Pro and charging to around 80%. This preserves battery health and speeds initial calibration. Once charging, connect to Wi-Fi and download the latest firmware. This fixes early bugs. After firmware, enable developer mode so advanced options are available, and pair any external Bluetooth controller. Make sure to adjust screen brightness and performance profile in settings. This balances thermals and battery life and prepares the device for the next configuration steps. Next, you configure software and controls to match the games you play. First, choose a performance mode, balanced for general use, performance for demanding titles, or battery saver when needed. This affects FPS and thermals. Then map buttons and analog sticks, and save at least 2 profiles so you can switch between handheld and docked ergonomics. Once controls are set, install games either from the official storefront or sideload APKs, and verify app permissions and integrity to avoid crashes during play. Finally, you finalize settings and validate stability with a real session. Run a 15-minute test of the heaviest title you own, watch temperatures and FPS with an overlay, and tweak fan curves or performance mode as needed. Keep GPU drivers current, but be ready to roll back if a firmware update introduces instability. If crashes persist, clear app cache, reinstall the game, and only perform a factory reset as a last step. One quick tip: backup saves before major changes to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.